Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my Lego creation is helicopter. Here we go. This is our helicopter. I mean, you can see I use power function. Turbulated. Sorry. Yeah, you guys saw the sound, right? Alright, spinning there. It's using power function. And we got our. It's exactly same like sea stallion, and we got a bag wing. You can see. There's nothing there, I just make it myself. But this thing need to sorry for a while. And here we go. We got our helicopter on. But this is the first part. The second part we can use this. We can use this for the real stallion, the ceiling, and we got some pilot, Lego pilot, and even more. Here's some plastic. Sorry, plastic army. We got a plastic army truck vehicle. This one is gonna be cool. This can be lift stuff, but this one really can fly. This really cannot be can fly. You can see I got a chain over here. Actually, you can lock me down there. You can see down there. It's like yellow. Okay, let me show you. It's a down thing. You can swing, and you got a pin. You can saw here. You got a pin. Open the pin. Lock down the pin, and you can sit back. And let me a bit go down there and lock itself. But this is difficult. There's no way you can make it there. So how to make it there? I just put my skid over the tire, so maybe I can see it more better. More better view. Sorry for loud. Sorry for loud. I got trouble on here. And we lock the pin. Guess we've been locked it with the pin, and with this is the locker. Poland, what a Poland ball. There we go. Yeah, I got a 2 pilot on board. This is our pilot. Okay. Now we're going to use the propeller, the big wing. Here, the big wing is quite big enough. And yeah, there's not a lot of detail here, but this here we got our back. We can put a like truck or anything. We can put a soldier inside. Put a soldier, a flamethrower, soldier, and even Legos if we can do it. Just a bit stuck with the Lego. Oh no, it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. The Lego is stuck. No. Oh yeah, it's finally free. Oh, we can kill someone. Kill the Lego. We can put some 3 Lego people, but we don't have space. We gotta use plastic soldier, and we get our M16. This one is not black. Actually, it's a gray color, but I paint it to black, so don't make any sense. So yeah, and I got some soldier here. Okay, we can put a tank anymore, but it's not realized, so it can be. As you can see, I can close it up. There, I can close it up, and we can start the wing. And here we go. And we can start the wing. Start the engine, and there we go. 1. My God. And there we go. We got our everything spinning. You can't see, right? It's spinning. is fully spinning, and we can all it. You can see down there it's been 100% locked, but it can be elevated down more. You can see it can elevate down more. Machine landing is automatic. So machine landing is automatically. Machine landing is automatically turn itself to lock. I'll be turning it back for the automatic lock. And you can see over here, we got a few. We can look at a few, like just example. We can have anything like for emergency. We will fill our out fuel. We can actually get 4 pilots. This one is like a soldier anyway, like for protection or anything happens. You can see I'm using power function, battery out, battery, the motor, and motor down there. Actually, I got the old one, but however, I modified it because my friends say it's got a bit puzzling, a bit clunky, not smooth, so I make it modified. So this is all about my video. So thanks for watching. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Alright, thanks for watching and subscribe.